that's happening in New York State.
All right, here we go.
Up north,
92 Honda Civic hatch.
A photo from
haven't seen that before.
Saying 2 feet of snow.
It's been a long time. So let's see, what do I have here?
That whole area.
CFNY 1993 CD.
Huntsville.
Let's see if this even works.
Snow
Oh, it works. That's awesome. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna work? CD. What the hell is this? I don't even remember this. I have a feeling I picked this up at a club back in the 90s. Okay, don't know that one. Don't remember that one. Okay, you know what? I'll be honest, this is shit. Does anyone remember this? How do I eject this shit? Where's eject? Oh my god! Okay, there it is. Okay, well, that's going back in the archives. I don't know how drunk I was back then, but yeah, I guess this wasn't as cool as I thought. But oh well. 92 Honda Civic SI. Yep. We'll make this thing great again, I guess, right?